Keeping your car clean and looking fresh doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. With the right car detailing kit, you can wash, polish, and protect your vehicle right at home. In this video, we're checking out the 7 best car detailing kits in 2026, focusing on useful tools, cleaning products, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're a beginner or a car care enthusiast, there's something here to help keep your ride looking its best. Number 7. The Armor All Ultimate Car Detailing Kit, the 9-piece set. This is the kit for someone who just wants their car cleaned this weekend and doesn't want to think about it too hard. It comes with a car wash formula built around Armor All's Extreme Shield Plus ceramic line, a glass cleaner, a tire cleaner, a protectant spray, a wash mitt, and 3 microfiber towels, all in one box. For a daily driver that just needs regular maintenance, it covers the basics without overwhelming a first-timer. The honest limitation is that this is an entry-level lineup, not a performance one. The ceramic language on the label refers to a wash-in protectant, not an actual sprayable ceramic coating, so don't expect the multi-month water beating you'd get from a dedicated ceramic product. The tools are also thinner than what you'll find in the premium kits later on this list, so the mitt and towels won't last as many washes. Bottom line, this is a fine starter kit for someone who's never owned a single detailing product, but if you already know your way around a bucket, you'll outgrow it fast. Number 6. The Chemical Guys 9-piece Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. This one's a specialist, not a generalist, and it earns its spot on this list because leather care gets ignored in almost every other kit here. It's a 2-step system, a pH-balanced leather cleaner that lifts dirt and body oils out of the grain without harsh detergents, followed by a conditioner that replenishes the material so it doesn't dry out, crack, or fade. The 9-piece version adds brushes and microfiber applicators so you're not just spraying and wiping with your hands. If your seats are leather, or even a synthetic leather look material, this is the single best thing you can add to a detailing routine that's otherwise focused on paint. The catch is obvious. This kit does nothing for your exterior. No wash soap, no wax, no wheel cleaner. You need to pair it with something else on this list to cover the rest of the car. It's also worth applying every 1 to 2 months rather than every wash, so don't expect to use the whole bottle in one weekend. Number 5. The Mother's California Gold 3 Clay Bar Complete Kit. Clay barring is the step almost nobody does and almost every car needs. Over time, your paint picks up embedded contaminants, brake dust, rail dust, tree sap, industrial fallout, that a wash and wax simply glide over instead of removing. This kit gives you 3 80-gram clay bars, a 16-ounce instant detailer to use as your clay lubricant, and a microfiber towel to buff the surface afterward. Run your hand over your hood after a wash. If it feels gritty instead of glass smooth, that's exactly the contamination this kit is built to pull out. Once that layer is gone, any wax or ceramic product you apply afterward bonds and looks better. The limitation here is that this is a once or twice a year step for most drivers, not a weekly product, so the value is more specialized than the wash kits on this list. It also doesn't clean, protect, or shine your car on its own. It's strictly a decontamination step that needs to be followed up with a wax or sealant. We're at the halfway point, and starting here the kits get more capable and a little more expensive, right up to a pick near the end that might be the single most useful tool on this entire list if your paint has actual damage in it. Number 4. The Griot's Garage Starter Car Care Kit, Model 1131. Griot's Garage built its reputation among detailing enthusiasts, and this starter kit is a genuinely well-rounded introduction to that world. It includes their car wash soap, which is formulated to produce 2 gallons of thick, paint-safe suds per ounce, their Speed Shine Auto Detailer for a quick, streak-free wipe down, Best of Show Wax, a high carnauba content wax that wipes off cleanly even after curing overnight, a wheel cleaner formulated to break down brake dust, a brilliant finish synthetic clay for paint decontamination, and a vinyl and rubber dressing for trim. That's wash, decontamination, and protection in one box, which is more complete than almost anything else at this price tier. The catch is that it's still a starter kit by name and design. The bottle sizes are smaller than what you'd get buying Griot's products individually, so if you fall in love with the brand, you'll be restocking sooner than expected. It also doesn't include microfiber towels or a wash mitt, so you'll need to already own those or add them separately. Number 3. The Adams Polishes Essential Car Wash Kit, the 14-item version. Adams built its name as a professional detailer's chemical supplier before expanding into consumer kits, and that heritage shows in the formulation quality here. The 14-item kit includes their wheel and tire cleaner targeting brake dust and rubber browning, VRT, a SiO2-infused spray for vinyl, rubber, and trim that repels water and adds UV protection, CS3, a 3-in-1 product that works as a waterless wash, a spray wax, and a ceramic hydrophobic coating depending on how you use it, a pH-neutral car wash shampoo, and a total interior cleaner. The versatility of CS3 alone is worth calling out. It's genuinely 3 tools packed into one bottle for anyone who wants to keep their trunk light. Where this kit asks more of you is technique. Getting the most out of Adams chemicals means understanding how to layer and use each product correctly. It's built more for someone who wants to learn proper detailing habits than someone who just wants to spray and walk away. It's also priced above the entry-level kits on this list, so it's an investment in a system rather than a one-off purchase. Number 2. The Chemical Guys TORQ 10FX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, the 8-item version. This is the one tool on this list that does something none of the wash kits can. It actually removes swirl marks, light scratches, and oxidation instead of just cleaning around them. The TORQ 10FX runs on a 700-watt motor with an 8mm dual-action orbit, which detailers consider the sweet spot between an aggressive cut and a forgiving, beginner-safe motion. The 8-item kit pairs the polisher itself with a one-step scratch and swirl removal compound, so you're not buying a machine and then hunting down separate products to actually use it. If your paint has visible spider webbing under direct sunlight, this is the only entry on this list that will genuinely fix that instead of temporarily hiding it. The honest catch is that a machine polisher has a real learning curve. You need to practice on a hood or a panel you're not worried about before tackling the whole car, and using it improperly can burn through clear coat if you're not paying attention to pressure and dwell time. It's also a bigger investment than a wash kit, so it makes the most sense for someone who's already comfortable with the basics and ready for the next step. Number 1. The Meguiar's Ultimate Car Care Kit, Model G555048, 19 pieces. Meguiar's has been in the car care business for over a century, and this kit is the most complete lineup on this list in terms of raw piece count. 19 pieces covers washing, paint restoration, and interior protection in one purchase. It includes Ultimate Compound, a one-step cleaner formulated to safely remove scratches, swirls, and other surface defects while enhancing color and clarity. Ultimate Wash and Wax for regular maintenance washes, and Ultimate Protectant for interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim. On top of the chemicals, you get 6 microfiber towels, a wash mitt, and a water magnet-style drying towel, so the accessory side is actually built out instead of an afterthought. Having a compound step included is the standout feature here. Most wash kits skip paint correction products entirely, and Meguiar's includes one that handles light defects without needing a machine polisher. The trade-off is that a compound this mild won't fix the kind of deeper scratching the TORQ 10FX can handle. It's suited for light surface imperfections, not real correction work. Still, for the sheer range of what's in the box, this is one of the strongest all-around values on this list. Before the final 2, here's the split you should already be thinking about. If your car just needs to look clean and smell fresh, you don't need everything left on this list. But if your paint has actual gloss and protection potential you haven't unlocked yet, the next 2 kits are built specifically for that. And there you have it, our look at the 7 best car detailing kits in 2026. Each option offers something different, so the best choice really depends on your car, your cleaning routine, and your budget. A good detailing kit can save you time, make cleaning easier, and help your vehicle stay looking great. So, choose the kit that fits your needs. Give your car some attention, and enjoy that fresh, clean finish.